What's going on, guys? Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel. In today's video we're going to discuss about the correction that the Bitcoin did over here, also the link trade that we lost our position. Actually, we've been stopped out after 25% of gains. I think we were surging towards some crazy levels, or let's say we were shooting towards some crazy levels, but it seems like that the Bitcoin didn't give us a chance to take the profits on the levels that we wanted to. So right now we need to go through this. It's very interesting what is happening. So without losing too much time over here, let's go through the Bitcoin, through the link, maybe VeChain, and also one more video. Maybe I'm going to make it to update you about Gold Inc. game. It's crazy game. Today we had some crazy wars on the field, so you need to see what is going on. That game is actually in the crypto world. It's built up on the blockchain technology, so if you want to see that, it's going to pay you for playing it, like Bitcoin in 2009 mining. So you're going to pretty much mine gold for the cryptocurrency, and you can earn a lot of coins. So if you're interested in it, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and wait for the another video where I'm going to do quick update. This game is still in beta version, you need to understand that, and that the game is still on. We are testing it. We had some trouble today, we had some stealing, fighting, whatever, so we're going to jump onto that in some other video. But right now let's do the technical analysis on the price, what is going on and why we crashed. So as you can see, we are out of this regression channel, ladies and gentlemen. We broke the whole structure, and right now we are retesting and breaking 20 exponential moving average. Now the reason why this is good is the thing that I'm going to show you just now. We can put logarithmic chart, zoom out a little bit, and as you can see on the daily chart, when we surged towards those $14,000 in June of 2019, we were retesting 20 EMA non-stop, as you can see, and breaking it up again. As you can see, we even broke it to the bearish side, and after that continue rally to the upside. So as you can see, that's the normal thing that the Bitcoin is doing all the time. And in 2017 we had that bull market that did the same thing. As you can see, retrace, even breaking it, then getting above it, then retesting it, then going again, retesting it again, then breaking it up, then going again, and all the way until the whole structure isn't broken to the downside and until we break to the bear market. But as we can see over now in the live version, we can see that the Bitcoin is doing the same thing, and this is nothing new. Of course, we're going to have correction of $1,000, $2,000, and right now it seems like that we retouched $19,500, and right now we are surging somewhere around $17,000, which is pretty much $2,000 or even more dump in one day, which is normal. Institutional investors that got in are taking profits, and we need to see that. We don't want too parabolic move that will bring us down to $4,000 or something crazy. So the good thing over here is that we are in correction, and even better thing is on RSI. As you can see, we can measure this, and you can see that we were in overbought zone for 36 days, ladies and gentlemen, approximately, and right now we are coming back into the bullish zone. The reason why this is the bullish zone, I'm going to repeat myself non-stoply about this. When we are below level of 70 and above level of 50, which is this tunnel over here that you can see, we are into the bullish zone because we are not oversold, we are not coming into the bearish zone, and we are not into the overbought zone, which is above level of 70, and that's good because whenever the RSI is above level of 70, that pretty much indicates you that we are overbought and that people are going to take profits because they're also watching these indicators. Now I truly believe that this zone that we marked over here between 16,000 and 16,500 is going to hold us, and in the next days we're going to continue our rally to the upside as we had in the previous rallies. You know, you break a little bit 20 exponential moving average for a few days, then shoot to the upside, because this is bull market and we shouldn't be scared of any breaks in level of support, because there are always going to be people to buy those dips and push the price to the upside. Very interesting thing is happening on the MACD on the daily chart. We are converting into some bearish side over here, but that's not the problem too much because I think this is corrective. We need to see MACD chilling out a little bit because as we can see, the whole rally of 30 days or more, we were pushing to the upside. Those two moving averages did not diverge into the bearish side at all, and this is the first day at all that we are actually diverging. And also this is the first indication on the histogram that is showing us a little bit stronger momentum to the downside in corrective way. So we need to stay calm and see if the Bitcoin will react on these prices over here. We need to bounce back from these prices to continue this jumping rally to the upside. Now let's jump into the ChainLink to see what happened with our trade. It was insanely stupid that we didn't take, actually I didn't take the profits. This is something that you need to learn to take profits on time, and this is the second mistake that we are doing. So I need to stop making the same mistake for the second time, because if you do that you can be very successful in everything, not only in trading. So from now we need to establish some rule to take profits when we are above 50%, 15% or 20%. We're going to make some strategy. Now what we are doing on this channel, if you are new, we are doing the trades and we are analyzing those trades, so you can also learn how to trade the markets or to learn on my mistakes. When you're learning, we're all learning here, and I'm going to lose my money instead of giving you some signals or whatever. So make sure that you do your own due diligence when you're trading. Do not listen to me or anyone else. You need to have your own strategy and your own risk reward ratio in every single trade, right? Always use stop loss. This needs to be actually some sort of advice. Always use stop loss like I did. And if we switch to the link over here, you can see, bow, big dump, ladies and gentlemen. Now this level over here was very strong Fibonacci level. This line is actually Fibonacci level. I just mark it so I don't need to have whole indicator. And as you can see, we have been declining heavily. That during the night we broke even this structure where we were expecting to trade it, and we've been stopped out somewhere approximately over here, and the price is still dumping, ladies and gentlemen. Insane. We lost maybe a few dollars because I'm trading with $70 or $75 or something very funny, because we are learning on this channel and we're going to try to trade with a little bit smaller amount so we can have more trades, right? So if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that we entered the position over here and we were skyrocketing to the upside. I should have taken these profits. I was having a feeling that I should take the profits because we had those big candles over here, but I said, okay, who knows, maybe Bitcoin is going to push towards $20,000, so the link will follow. But it seems like that the Bitcoin went other way around and the link followed. So the lesson over here is always to listen your gut feeling. If you know that something could happen and could be wrong, don't do it. Just take the profits. If the price goes to the upside, that's okay, you took your profits. Now we have been stopped out in a very small amount of percentage, which is good, but the lesson is learned. Always take your profits. That's okay. We're going to open new position when the time comes and when the indications are giving us to enter the new position. Never ever enter the position when such a thing happens, because that would be revenge trading and you will trade and trade and trade and overtrade and lose all your money. You need to reevaluate the whole situation to see where the new entry point should be. Luckily, this was not the leverage, which I'm not recommend you to beginners, and we are pretty much good to go. So overall, the link broke all level of supports since $16.5 over here, and if we switch to the EMAs, we can see that we are consolidating around 50 simple moving average and 100, and I'm guessing that we are going to hold this uptrend to the upside, this line, this blue line that we had over here. So pretty much good to go. Also, this is some sort of a correction, so we may actually re-enter the position if we close over here somewhere, so we're not going to see continuation pattern to the downside. That could be also good opening in position and let the price lead us towards higher prices where we were actually on those gains. And again, you need to reevaluate situation all over again. It's good to actually open position when the close happens and not in the open trading on this very last candle on the chart that you can see. So be more conservative, wait for the close. Even if the risk reward ratio will be a little bit bad, it's much better to do so, because you don't know if we're going to dump further lower towards this line, this blue line over here. So this is the reason why you need to trade by close. I really recommend to trade first by closing the candle first, and then reevaluate the entry point, the new entry point, right? As of all, VeChain over here is doing something interesting. It seems like that we are retesting again this level. Look at this wicks. If somebody traded this, it's probably stopped out over here, because this is incredible loss if if we, or let's say dump over here after this doji candle, if we measured, it's 37% approximately dump, and right now we are trading on this level that we said is going to be the level of support. So be careful if you're trading VeChain. I told you about VeChain many times. VeChain has insane big wicks, which means volatility is very big in this asset. So if you're going to trade it, you need to have wider stop losses, and you need to have, you know, better tolerance to take more losses, to take more percentage in stop loss. You know, your risk reward ratio is going to be a little bit bad because of stop loss, because of long wicks, of course. So you need to be careful and evaluate the situation much better before entering this position. So far so good. We are in the correction, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing special is happening, but I'm very glad that we did this technical analysis very quickly, so you can learn about what happened, what you shouldn't do, and I hope you did. Let me know in the comment section down below, do you like this sort of a content? And in the next video I may do the Gold Inc game. So this is the game from Sapphire Studios, or Apollo Currency is also the partner with them, and you're gonna receive the GXB coin if you mine the gold in game totally for free. You can play it once it's out, but right now it's in beta version. Only a couple of hundreds are just in the game testing it, let's say like that. We do need to find the bugs, to report them of course, and to show people how the game looks like, and I can do that in the next video. If you're interested, just let me know in the comment section down below. We also streamed 1.5 hours. Check out the last video, so I think you're going to like it. I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I want to thank each last one of you one more time for watching our videos, and until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.